out an album. It was called Sixes, Sevens, and Nines. And what a lot of people don't know is that 6, 7, and 9 equal 22, which is how many albums they sold.
I stole your copy.
To this day, Pat still rides his skateboard. He's hoping to be the first elderly person to break his hip on a half pipe. Pat was in another band with Jamie and Lance called Smack. Lance, why'd you guys break up? Uncreative differences? By the way, what is with Lance Lamore? How good is that? Then again, Tyson Cornell, not that much better. Lance is so pale, he walked by a graveyard and the Undertaker chased him with a shovel. Anyway, alright. Well, it's nice to see that a lot of people were able to make it here tonight. Unfortunately, some people had prior commitments, they weren't able to make it. Karen Upright was supposed to be here. She had to work this evening. Luckily, her lesbian life partner, Jason, is here.
That's funny.
It's funny because
he brought his boyfriend, Toby, over there as a date.
Oh, yeah.
Frank, I'm sorry. I really don't know you that well. So, but I do hear that you carry what, Kenneth Cole purse? Really? Are you sure you don't have a vagina?
I have the shoes on.
So I asked around for some advice, for what to say at a roast, and someone told me that some things just aren't funny. Kevin Hurt is one of those.
I don't know, I got some laughs.
It was obligatory.
Looking around at this room, a lot of faces here. Jeremy, Pat, Frank. I've seen younger faces on dollar bills. You'll have to forgive Jeremy. He was running a little late tonight. His time machine was stuck in the 70s. What a lot of people don't know about Jeremy is that he doesn't need any sort of contraceptives. He uses his looks and personality. It's okay, Jeremy. You have to be comfortable with how you look. They say mirrors don't lie. Luckily, they don't laugh at you either. Jamie.
Here we go.
When Jamie was first attracted to Motley Crue, he thought the pentagram was the Star of David.
Very good.
That's true.
Is that true?
That's true.
Wow.
Now his favorite band is Nikki Sixx, which is also the perfect time to realize you're never going to be Nikki Sixx.
Oh.
Jamie and Monica just got a new dog. Very cute. Stop to meet him. He learns his new tricks by watching Jamie and Monica in the bedroom.
Wow.
He watches Jamie to learn how to beg, and he watches Monica to learn how to roll over and play dead. By the way, Monica, you may want to learn how to lock that bedroom door. You don't want Jackson walking in on you guys.
Oh, come on.
Does everybody keep ringing up there?
Kids are off limits, man.
That's disgusting. That's just wrong.
But it was funny.
But seriously, I've been friends with Jamie for years now. It's because of him that most of the people in this room are in my life now. Jamie, it's just another reason why I fucking hate you. But really, Jamie, I'm honored that, you've invited me to be a part of your wedding. Your first one, your second one. I hope I get invited to the third one. By the way, what the fuck were you thinking the first time around?
I was high.
Not only did this girl marry Jamie, she made out with Jeremy too.
Oh!
I mean, how desperate could she have been?
Oh! Wow.
Whoa! Anyway, before I finish up here, I just wanted to get one last thing out.
Are you sure?
I know it's early and there's still a lot more to come, so I just like to get this out of the way. Jamie, go fuck yourself.
Keep up the round of applause. Becky Dominguez, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, a really special human being.